World Junior record, the championship record, lucky athletes running and getting well up the box very quickly. Also, many athletes probably has a little bit ahead of the lead. They start to gather a few numbers. They make their way down to the flags and the turn in under the flags. There will be around 4 strokes to go for one for the swimmers. They come to the wall and turn through. It is Atherton, 28.70. Getting through in second place in his final really off New Zealand. Also, Paul Evans on the United States. From Finish Runner, Atherton. From Missouri, and Evans, 25 meters to go. Big finish coming up for Atherton in the center of the pole. On the third or running late. Then the challenge coming on. Will Atherton hang on to the top? 59.59 seconds. And that is a championship record time.